Hi, friends and family. Get ready for Christmas. Yes, it's near. And soak your fruits ready to bake your Christmas cake. Hello, everyone. It might be a bit early, but I've started baking my cakes. I'll be selling cakes for Christmas, and I'll be doing a class one day this week to show you how to bake the best Christmas cake. Right, so I hope you have your fruits all soaked and ready for Christmas. It's the Caribbean black cake, Jamaican black cake, rum cake, whatever you want to call it. You can have a look and see the look. I've put some wine on it. You can see this Jamaica wine, Wincarnis wine, and the Red Never rum. Yes, glistening, ready with all the cherries. So my cakes will be up for sale soon. Just have to send me a DM if you want to purchase cakes. So happy Christmas in advance. I know it's a bit early, but try and get your cakes ingredient all ready. Start buying up your flour, your sugar, your butter, your eggs. Probably not the egg just yet, but your wine, your rum. Soak your fruits. I have a video showing how to soak the fruits. You can steam the fruits, to get a nice solid looking cake like this. And get your cake tins as well. A lot of things you need to get, but yeah, I'll be doing a class on my channel DW Garden, how to bake cake this week. So get onto my channel DW Garden and subscribe, like and share, and put it on notification that you'll see when I appear live to show you how to bake the nice Jamaican fruit cake, black cake, Christmas cake, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So when you stand up and look, you're thinking, oh, I want a taste of this. This is what you're going to get. Jamaican Christmas is here in my house already. Y'all. Christmas is here. Get ready.